Hello my dear students, I welcome you to this class. In previous class, we have already discussed mongoose SGP1, and today we shall discuss its comprehension questions. Look at the book page 19, 19 पृष्ठ आम समस्त देखा एवं 19 पृष्ठ थी कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन SGP1 रो दुईटी पैराग्राफ मध्य जी कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन अच्छी ताको आम आलोचना करवा एवं कि समस्ते कि यू हैव टू जट डाउन व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट मु बर्तमान जहाँ लिखी तुम्हें से खातार टिपि नब एवं कि ऑन द लाटर पार्ट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट ताको तुम्हें अभ्यास करिवो. देन फर्स्ट कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर द पाराज अबाउट. ये जो दुईटी पारा आम अध्ययन कले दुईटी पारा SGP1 रो दुईटी पारा रही पारा 1 और पारा नंबर 2 ए विषय ये दुईटी पारा रे कौन वर्णना कर देछि. द पाराज आर अबाउट द कॉमन नेचर of mongoose. मंगूज मानकर नेउल मानकर साधारण बा स्वाभाविक प्रकृति बा साधारण प्रकृति संपर्क में वर्णना कर जाइछि. डू अंडरस्टैंड. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. बोथ द पाराज टॉक अबाउट वन वेरी कॉमन नेचर ऑफ मंगूज. व्हाट इज दैट कॉमन नेचर. दुईटी पैराग्राफ रे आमे मंगूज मानकर साधारण प्रकृति विषय साधारण क्रियाकलाप विषय पढ़ी. तेणु व्हाट इज दैट कॉमन नेचर. दैट कॉमन नेचर इज that they like to hunt they like to hunt together. Then question number 3. मंगूस डू टू काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स. नेउल मान दुईटी कार्य करिथांती. इन अदर वर्ड्स देयर एक्टिविटीज और वर्क कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू काइंड्स. व्हाट आर दे. से दुईटी कार्य करिथांती ता क्रियाकलाप को दुई भाग रे व्यक्त कर दैछि. तेणु से दुईटी क्रियाकलाप कोन. इट्स आंसर इज मंगूस डू two kinds of things. In other words their activities or work can be divided into two kinds. They are hunting and living together. They are hunting together and living together. Then come to the question number 4. One of them is looking for food. What do mongoose normally eat? साधारणतः मंगूज माने कौन खाद्य खाई थांते. क्वेश्चन 4. mongoose normally eat beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. Mongoose normally eat beetles, millipedes and other small creatures like rats, mice, rodents, then fruits, berries, insects and worms etc. ତେଣୁ ମଙ୍ଗୁଜ ମାନେ ଏହି ପ୍ରକାର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇଥାନ୍ତି। Then question number 5, they eat beetles, millipedes etc. but the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. Who are these big creatures? These big creatures are these big creatures are hawks, eagles and jackals. They question number 6 is they look for food but they also look out for a dash, that is called danger. Question number 6 is danger. Then come to the question number 7. Question number 7. One very common nature of mongoose is living and hunting together. Both the paras talk about this common feature. Give some examples in support of this from these two paras. See last part of para 1. para 1 ର ଶେଷ ଅଂଶକୁ ଦେଖ। That is called a common sight in Africa, parts of Africa. They travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles. It have they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles or millipedes and for other small creatures. Then number 7, they travel in groups. They travel in groups of about 20 to look for their food. Then come to the question number 8. How do they keep in touch with one another? See para 2 and the first part of the para 2. They keep in touch. They keep in touch with one another by twittering and calling. By twittering and calling. Then come to the question number 9. How do they warn each other when they see anything dangerous and suspicious? They number 9 they warn each other. They warn each other with a special alarm call when they see anything dangerous and suspicious. Then come to the last question. Question number 10. The writer calls the mongoose very amusing animals. कवि लेखक मंगूज को एक चेताकर्षक आनंददायक जीव बोली वर्णना करिसंते. When do they look amused? केते बेले समान अति आनंददायक देखा जाती, चित्ताकर्षक देखा जाती. Its answer, the writer calls the mongoose very amusing animals. They look amusing when they poke their nose into holes, overturn rocks with their paws, and scratch the ground with their sharp claws. Do you understand, my dear students? We have already completed the comprehension questions for SGP1 रे जति comprehension question थिला ताको आमे समस्त आलोचना कले. मो भाबुची समस्ते खातार लेखि नै थिबा एवं परवर्ती काल ताको अभ्यास करिबा एवं जाकि हमरो देखि कार्य रे आसीबो एवं समस्त एकर सक्रिय अंशग्रहण करथिबा जोगो ए कालांश रे समस्त सक्रिय अंशग्रहण करथिबारु समस्त को धन्यवाद दे आजिर कालांश को एतिके परिसमाप्ति घोषणा करूछि. धन्यवाद.